Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nag-close ng red candle, forming bearish engulfing and below average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So what happened yesterday? Nagkaroon tayo ng fake out but nag-close yung BTC below resistance area natin. And what happened next? Dumiretso pababa. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, since nagkakaroon tayo ng breakout sa symmetrical triangle natin, but yung previous higher low natin is hindi pa din binabasag ni BTC. So approaching support area tayo. So the moment na magkaroon tayo ng retest below resistance and another rejection, possible pasukan ulit tayo ng selling pressure. And the moment na basagin ni BTC yung support area natin, possible na magkaroon pa tayo ng malalim na retracement. But the moment naman napakitaan tayo ni BTC ng green candle and sumalo above this support area, possible na magkaroon tayo ng sideways momentum kay BTC.